Hey everybody! In today's video I will be showing you how to add a link to your TikTok profile. So if you want to find out how to add a link to your bio on TikTok, make sure to watch this video till the very end and follow our steps correctly, so you can make sure that this method works for you too. So guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do is go to the App Store and download TikTok if you haven't already. After downloading TikTok, you want to register for an account or create or log into your existing account and enter the application. So yeah, let's enter the application here. You'll be greeted by the main page. When doing that, you want to go to the right bottom corner where you will see the option called Profile. You want to click on this option right here. Clicking on Profile, this will bring you to the Profile tab. As you can see here, I'm on my Profile tab of my account. Here I will be seeing all my videos that I have posted, but this isn't important to us right now. To be able to post a link, you want to do the following. You have to turn your profile, you cannot be private, it has to be turned to a business account. And I will be showing you how you can do this. First thing you want to do is click the in the upper right corner, the three lines that you can see. You want to click on this, as this will open up the settings tab. Here we have three options, and we want to click on settings and privacy, as you can see right here. Go ahead and click on settings and privacy. After clicking on settings and privacy, you can see that we are greeted by this page. We want to click the first page, the first option that we can see called manage account, as this will bring us to the options that can manage our account. Clicking on manage account, we will be greeted by this page right here. Now guys, as you can see here, if you have not already switched to business account, you will be greeted by this option right here called switch to business account. We will want to enter this option. Clicking on switch to business account, this will be greeted. Just click next, go continue, just enter your details that you need to enter to create this account into your business account. So go to continue, choose what you are posting about. Let's say we are education and training. Click next. You will have to add your email. You can skip that. You can add your bio to what you want to say about, and then this is it. You can click the X in the upper right corner and you will be back here. Now guys, this account has been turned to your business account, and now we will be able to post a link to our bio. But guys, as you can see here, the thing you have to know is that to post a link to your bio, you need to have at least 1,000 followers on TikTok. So guys, sadly today we have only 5, but you need 1,000 followers to be able to post links to your account. After you have 1,000 followers, you will be able to click here on the add bio option or click to edit profile option. As you can see, the edit profile option in the middle, here will be an option that you can, under bio, where you will be able to post a link to either your Instagram or some other social media. So guys, this is how you do it. Sadly you have to have 1,000 followers, but you can collect that in a short time if you just use the follow for follow method. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope this was helpful to you, and take care.